Hey, how you going? Brad from Platinum Solar Designs here. Today's video is how to connect your household Wi-Fi to your Sungrow inverter. Today's video is going to be useful for if you've lost internet connection or you've recently purchased a new modem. To update the Wi-Fi settings, you need to be within range of the inverter with a smart device. The first thing that you need to do is go into the Wi-Fi list on your smart device and look for any local networks. You're looking for the Sungrow inverter, which starts with the SG. After connecting to the inverter's Wi-Fi, you need to open up the iSolar Cloud app. The first step to connecting your Sungrow inverter to your Wi-Fi is to click the local access button located in the bottom left-hand corner. Next step is to press the button located on the inverter's Wi-Fi dongle 3 times. Then scan the QR code. The account login details is user and the password is PW1111. Once you have successfully logged in, go to the bottom right hand corner and click on More. Next, click on WLAN configuration. Once you have done that, locate your household's Wi-Fi name and enter the Wi-Fi password. If you successfully connect, you will notice a green tick and a pop-up down the bottom which will say set successfully. So that's how you reconnect the Wi-Fi to your inverter. I hope you found this video useful.